welcome back to my channel. It's Desire Her CEO and Desire Her Co on Instagram. My name is Desire, if you didn't get the memo already, but today we are doing a frontal sew-in. And yeah, I just want to throw some new type of videos out on my YouTube channel, so let me know if y'all like this video. It is my first time trying to do a video like this for you all, so the lighting was kind of off, but please let me know if you guys have any questions of anything that I did in this video. Right now I am prepping her cap, and I did all that off camera because the lighting was horrible, y'all, and I know y'all didn't want to see it looking like that. So yeah, I'm going to fast forward this part. I'm just about to put makeup on it and blend it and put makeup on her frontal and also get ready to glue it down. But y'all about to see. So I'm going to come back in a minute. See, y'all, I told y'all the lighting was off real bad, but yeah, it's off real bad. But right here, I'm just measuring basically where I'm gonna put the frontal on her head, like from where I'm gonna glue it down. You know, just figuring out how the hairline is gonna look. And this is where I'm about to have her get ready to hold it. But y'all about to see it. I'm about to hold it and I'm about to sew it down after this. So yeah, y'all finna see. Yeah, when I say the lighting is bad, the lighting is bad, but I am so sorry. I'm gonna get it together for y'all, but it's gonna get better, y'all. Right now, I'm using Erica J, the watermelon flavor of her hair glue. I've been using her since she first dropped, y'all, and I love her hair glue. It lasts so long. My clients love it. I love it, y'all. I just can't ever switch up on her. I'll leave the link to the glue in the description. Also, I like to use the razor part to just smooth it out, y'all. It's just the easy process, and I can just throw it away. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. And I'm just smoothing it out as smooth as possible. Waiting until the glue turns clear to do another layer. And we just do that about 3 to 4 times, guys.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my yard. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, and it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need a I need to free my mind now. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need mind now. Oh yeah. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling.
Yeah, I love to make sure I get the hair as straight as possible with the blow dryer first, because I feel like the style comes out so much better.
Give up my pain. I need to be on my lane. My mind, I need to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, and it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need I really need a different mind. I really need I need to bring my mind out. I really need a different mind.
Because yeah, that's what you call scalp right there. The lace ain't even cut off yet, and it's giving scalp. But yeah, but we about to lay the baby hairs down and cut the rest of the cut the lace off, and then lay the baby hairs down, y'all. And then we're going to get into styling right after that. So yeah, I can kind of see what I'm doing here. So yeah, I ain't gonna do too much talking.
I really need my love. Oh yeah. my mind. Yeah, in my mind. I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I mean, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side, and it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out, tell you what I need. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need a I need to free my mind now. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need mind now. Oh, yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. I need to give up my pain. I need to be on my lane. My mind, I need to the other side. I need time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need I really need a different mind. I really need I need to bring my mind out. I really need
Oh, and before somebody says something about the other baby hair, she's getting like a deep side part, as you can see. So there's no need for the other baby hair. We kind of do that to let the lace last a little bit longer. If you know, you know. But yeah, that's why it's no baby hair on the other side right there.
I really need a different mind out. I really need mind out. Oh, yeah. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I mean, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side, and it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out, tell you what I need. I really need I really need a different mind now. I really need I need to free my mind now. I really need mind now. I really need a different mind now. I really need mind now. Oh, yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind